Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable and disable developer options on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open your phone settings app. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. The exact name may vary depending on your phone's manufacturer. Inside the About Phone section, click on Software Information. You will find the Build Number option. Tap on it repeatedly, about 7 times. You'll see a pop-up saying Developer Mode has been enabled. That is how to enable developer options on your Android device. To access developer options, go back to the main settings menu and swipe up. You'll find it at the bottom of your screen. Now you can toggle the switch at the top of the developer options screen to turn it on or off. Remember, developer options contain advanced settings. Use them with caution. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tech tips.